Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Descent with the BestFTSO signal provider website to delegate your wrapped Songbird. So what you want to do is go down to the Discovery and then hit that network button and choose the Songbird network. Now mine's already clicked because I've already been on Songbird today with it. Go up to the URL and put bestftso.xyz. And go to their site, go ahead and connect. This is the main page. It's got a full description, everything that they have going on. I recommend coming back, checking this stuff out. But right now, I'm going to show you how to bookmark the page. Go ahead and click this button down here. Make sure you add the bookmark. Now let's delegate for the best. As you see here, I have my 51 Songbird, and in order to delegate, I need to wrap it. So hit this bar here, and you can choose any percentage that you like. 99% I think is a little high. You're going to cut yourself short on some Songbird later on down the road for fees. So we just tap in this bar, and we're going to go with 95%. We'll see how this goes for us. Get my fingerprint authorized here. And you can see now I have my wrapped Songbird, but none of it is delegated. So now I need to go down, hit that delegate bar, and I'm going to delegate 100% of my wrapped Songbird to BestFTSO. Hit that delegate button, hit OK, authorize my fingerprint again. And now you can see that 100% of my wrapped Songbird is delegated to BestFTSO. You scroll down this screen, you can see all the different rewards that they have going on for the early delegators. But don't fear, you still have plenty of time. Jump on in. And you can look at the menu here on the left side of the screen. And you can scroll through and see all the other things that the BestFTSO has to offer. Thank you for watching.